Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can check insurance on Emirates ID. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, head over to the DHA website and navigate to the health insurance section. Now look for the services tab on the homepage. Under services, click on individuals. Now a drop-down menu will appear. Select health insurance. Then choose inquiries and then policy inquiry. You'll be redirected to a new page with various health insurance related options. Select inquiries followed by policy inquiry. Now enter your Emirates ID number. A search bar will be displayed. Enter your 15-digit Emirates ID number carefully. Upon entering your ID, click the search button. And that's how you can check insurance on Emirates ID. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.